Everyone, today we are going to see how to cast our mobile phones or laptop the panel. Before that, we just need to make sure that the broadcast is activated or not. For that, when you open the screencast, it will show activated. If it is not activated, in this portion, it will show to activate first. In that time, you just need to go to the home. Here, go to the dashboard settings. Here you will get one option. If it is not activated, just here it will show one option that enable cast. You need to turn on that. After turn oning, when you open the cast, the automatically it will get activated. Once it activated, here there is a settings. You just need to select, and here you need to turn on the MirrorCast application. So once we turned on, this will name will be shown in your laptop. When you press Windows K in your laptop, the name will be showing there to cast. I have selected, it is asking for permission. You just need to give accept. Once it is accepted, the laptop can be mirrored wirelessly to the panel. In the same way, if you have any mobile phones, in mobile phones there will be a default MirrorCast applications. Just select it, and the casting name will be shown in the phone. So it will ask for the cast, then just give start. So I am accepting. So once it is accepted, the mobile casting will be coming in the panel. So in this way, we can cast the mobile or laptop or MacBook Air, Mac devices without internet, if and with internet also. Thank you. Plastic toggle.